Sarah,
Yes, love.
where are we?
We're at services on the M6 toll road.
We are? Where are we going?
The International Camping Show.
Campervan show.
Campervan show.
Here we are, boy.
We're in the jungle. We're in the jungle.
Look at the state of the grass.
It's good job we ain't got hay fever in it, Dave.
I haven't.
Dear.
This weather is awful. Look.
But now look.
Saturday morning. Hot as hell. 8:30 in the morning. What is it, about 20 degrees? Easy, innit? Hot air balloons flying up. Waiting for the new vans to arrive, but there's thousands of things here at the moment. All kinds of different vehicles, from tiny little sheds on trailers to big old Winnebagos. So today we're going to have a good old mooch round and see if there's anything we need to buy that we don't need.
And
How hot is it?
It's boiling. It's boiling hot, and I've got hay fever, and I'm surrounded by lots of grass.
But she's loving it.
But yeah, it's not bad.
We've just been for a mooch around the market and the stalls and had a drink under the shade and what have you, but it's just too hot for Oscar. So we've come back to the van for a couple of hours. Gonna get the barbecue on and then head over and see the entertainment for the afternoon. But it's just wall to wall, blue skies. It's easy 20 odd degrees, a light breeze, and it's just ideal, isn't it?
It's perfect, babe, perfect.
So we're just gonna sit back and relax for a couple of hours, let the old lad cool down, and then see what later on has to offer. Maybe go and stalk some YouTubers.
Yeah, because we're family.
It's our first full day of the festival, and it's Saturday at 5:20, and we just spent the day having a mooch around looking at what's to offer. With monster trucks, we've seen a few people that we recognise, like travel trolls and Flora and obviously Explorers, but we didn't go and talk to anybody because they all seem busy and what have you. So I've got a bit of a sore back, so we're going to have the Italian painkillers. Brownie red. They work a treat. Do you want one, love?
Yes.
She wants one of that. We've got the fridge turned on max, so they're absolutely freezing cold. We went and looked at monster trucks before, so there's a thing where you can jump on the back for £10 a go. It just goes up and down. It doesn't go quite as fast as I thought it was, so I scrapped it.
Still made the little girl scream though.
I think it was a little boy that was screaming actually.
Scream like a girl.
Just seen Scooby-Doo come out with his top off. Yeah, it's a bizarre experience here, but I think there's another one in September, so I reckon we'll give it a go. As long as we're available, we'll definitely give it a go. But we've got quite a few things planned this year. So we've got next weekend, we've got a trip to the Lake District. I think it's a couple of weeks after that. We're at Camper Jam, beginning July, I think it is, isn't it? And then we've got various trips for Sarah's 40th, like we're going to London to watch a show, and we're going to Berlin for the Christmas markets, but we're going to try and cram in as much of this type of stuff as we can before the weather turns bad, which then we head up to the Lake District in Scotland to set out the snow. But yeah, I'm off to open this beer. Who have we just seen?
Dan and Mazzy.
Travel trolls.